Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another planner related video. So this is my main planner, catch-all planner that I'm using. I just picked up various dolls and sticker sheets that I wanted to use. I'm going to just go with the flow of things. I don't want to get in my head about how, this goes with that. I tried to match my washi tape to this kit, but I'm just gonna have fun. I'm not going to get in my head about it. I'm going with the flow, enjoying. This is my happy place when I'm planning, also crafting, but I just want to be organic and let it come naturally. So I'll put this here. I just want to have fun. Oop, I almost put it on my washi tape. So I can't believe this is the last week in August. Like, where they do that? But we are in 2020, so there's that. So we all know about how any and everything can be predictable, right? So but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put spending, because I know I'm gonna put it here, because on Saturday I'm gonna finish up my budget for July and get ready for August. But girl, what month you in? I'm gonna finish my August budget and get ready for September. Sheesh. I took myself a whole month back. That's funny. So I think I want to offset this. No, I'm gonna put today. That's a little crooked. Let's see. Oh, okay. I'll put a green down. I'm liking the green and the soft muted. It's soft muted tones, so it's coming out actually pretty lovely. Little things. Sometimes it's just best to let things happen organically. Is it a trash can? Yay! Y'all know I like my trash can sticker. So silly. Yeah, my online church sticker. Online Bible study. Just saw it. Let me move this here so I can see. Okay. Okay, put this down. I'm gonna put this here. When I use these stickers, they are glossy stickers, so you have to use a Sharpie type of marker when you are using it, because gel pen will smear. I think you can use ink, regular ink pens with ballpoint, it's called. So, but I definitely know that gel pens do smear on here no matter what. So I'll be using my ultra fine Sharpie marker. I got it from the Dollar Tree maybe over a year ago. So I wanted to use this sticker, but the flowers, are they pink enough? Guess what? It's my planner. Put it the way you want to put it, Bev. There. Will you stick down? Okay. Right. Now I just want to put a few dolls in places. I'll put one here. And I guess I'll put this one here. This is cute. And I'll put this one here. And one more I'll put right here. So this is so cute. I love the way it turned out. I love the way it turned out. Yeah, I think I'm done. I don't want to, you know, overpower my page. I do have to write on it. Yeah, it's nice and clean. The color palette is matching with the greens and the muted greens, the muted pinks. I know she's hot pink and turquoise, but it still goes together. She matches the laptop. Oh. If you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.